paikot-ikot. Hello! Hey! 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 Didi! Is that Didi? You wanna see Didi? Oh, babe, before you go, can you change Indy?
Yeah.
Go to Dada. I can smell something. Say bye-bye. Bye! So, Daddy's gonna change me. Alright, go to Daddy. Go, go, go. It is. So cute. Good timing, India. Good timing. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Drop namin si Ate Ayla, tapos meron kaming kailangan errand na gawin nila. Are you almost finished, Alo? Come on, Matt.
I'm almost finished. Wait one.
Oh, good job, Ate. Good job, guys.
Yesterday we did decide go at the gate today.
Oh, really?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah. Did you say hi?
Yeah.
That's good. Say good morning.
And then we said hi and then we said good morning.
That's good.
And then we straight away. And then we said goodbye because we had our encouragement in my class.
Yeah.
Mom,
Baby.
when am I 11? When?
11? Dang. Still a long time away, baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
When I'm 13. When am I 4? Yay! I have to be excited.
Boom, boom, boom. Sige na, after this, I'm gonna do your hair, baby. So, finish your food.
Mommy, what do you like to do my hair? It's so calm.
We'll put the bow on. What do you think?
It's too funny.
So, Wednesday today, you will have Italian today. Bonjour! Hey! Ingay niya talaga, no? Siya talaga pinakamaingay sa lahat. Hey! Hey! Uy, what's... Daddy! It's mommy!
It's mommy thing.
Where's the guys? Where's the guys?
Mommy! And guys, you see mommy Jonathan. Mommy, are you moving? Jonathan. Say that.
Alright, come on.
Hello guys, I got in these bottles Udo, and I needed to go up the stairs and then down the stairs with holding all of our bottles.
Thank you, baby. I need the water. Oh, here. I'll help you. Thank you, baby. Give Indy her water, please. Thanks. What were you saying?
Yakult.
You want Yakult? Okay. Manners.
Hello. I need to tap my chair right. Like, say hello guys. I'm Daddy.
I'll do Ate Sarah. Daddy's gonna be down soon. Wait. Daddy. Just wait, baby.
Say first there's a lot here. What do I don't like this. How can I move it? I can't be either here. That's I'm not having it.
Oh, he's showing them.
Easier than it. This is the easiest clipping one, but this is the hardest clip. I can't even put on my hair. This one. Let me hold on this so I can see properly. Here. This scrunchie is for sports uniform, not for sport, but not for uniform,
Not for dress.
not for dress. I'm wearing a dress. Turn. Out, out, mommy, out.
I know. I'm doing it really, really gently.
This is not a good hairbrush for my curls. Mommy's still doing
Alright,
my
which
hair.
bowl have you chosen?
I
The big one. Big one's nice.
yeah, I did this one.
This one?
Food. You don't want to live.
Di, agay hindi. 1, 2. Beautiful. So good.
I can't see.
I'll take a photo. So pretty. Yeah, pretty. Sit pretty out there.
See.
Alright, sit properly so I can take a photo. It's so nice out there. See? Big bowl.
Stay this one over here.
I will put you in the pram. D, you want a bowl too? Okay. For D. Yeah. Look at it. Waiting for the bowl. Okay, put bowl for D. Oh, for me. Uh-oh. D doesn't have hair. D doesn't have enough hair for bowl. Oh. Why you don't have enough hair for bowl? Yeah. Okay. For D. Oh no, bowl for D. Alright, okay. Ang cute. Pinili ko sa Shein, guys. Ang ganda. Hoy! Ito naman! What? Wala kang ang buhok. Hindi ko makapit ang bow. Hindi ko makapit ang bow.
I'm sad. I'm sad.
Let's go, baby. Parking dito si Daddy.
You leave your bag, you can just chuck that bag on your shoulder if you want. That's easier for you.
We're going to the house, guys. Natapos na namin yung errand namin ni Dan. So, we're off to the house kasi may time pa kami. It's only 9:45. Ang appointment niya daw is alas 11. So, we will go there. We will do a house tour. An updated house tour. The last house tour. And we'll wave goodbye to the house. Because you will give them the key tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hindi natin siya makikita, guys, for a long time. Alright, guys, bahay na tayo. Madaliin ko to, guys, kasi may appointment si Dan ng 11 and it's already 10:08. And kailangan pa namin umuwi ng bahay kasi car ko yung dala namin. Anyway, dito na tayo sa garage. Walang masyadong nagbago sa garage. Actually, walang nagbago at all. Nilinis lang to ni Dan. Furniture hose niya lang to. But walang iniba dito. Hindi to pininturahan. Wala. So, it's still the same. Yan yung gilid ng bahay there. And then, pasok tayo. So, ito yung front yard. And perfect na perfect kasi yung tenant namin, hindi din sila mahilig mag-gardening. So, oh, I left the key. Wait. So, ito bago to, guys. Pininturahan to ng ganyang kulay. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong kulay nito noon. But it looks good. Dark gray yung kanyang color. And then, ito bago din to. So, kami nag-install nitong mga... Ito, ang ganda din ng kulay. Hey, babe. Oops. Can you open? Thank you. Then, we'll turn on all the lights. Amoy puntura pa din. So, yung mga blinds na yan, bago din yan kasi pinalitan natin yan from cortina to blinds. And malinis na din yung bahay kasi pinalinis natin kina ate. Alright. Let us start. So, ito yung entrance. Pagpasok mo on your right, nandito yung main lounge. So, ito yung main lounge. Yung naiba lang dito is yung pintura. Yung cortina, kinip namin yung cortina kasi mas okay siya. Sliding door kasi siya. So kapag blinds, tataas mo lahat ng blinds para ma-open mo yung sliding door. Cortina mas okay. Kasi pwede mong i-close yung kabila, tapos open yung kabila para ma-access mo yung isang side ng sliding door, you know? So, kinip namin yung cortina dyan. And then, yeah, this is the empty, new painted lounge. Dito tayo sa main bedroom muna. So, main bedroom, iba yung kulay na to. Ngayon, iba na siya, guys. So, yung ginawa natin dito is, so, pinalitan natin yung doors. Lahat ng doors pinalitan natin. And ito na yung itsura niya. So, malinis na din siya. Bago na yung pintura. So, lahat ng pintura, ganito yung kulay. Wala na yung iba-ibang kulay every room. Pinalitan din natin itong sliding door na to. So, meron na silang bagong sliding door. And then, the Closet is the same. Closet is the same. Bago lang yung pintura. So, ito yung kanilang walk-in wardrobe. And then, the ensuite, walang naiba. Yung, again, newly painted lang siya. But yeah, the ensuite is nice. Hello. Alright, let's move on to the other room. Dito na tayo. Doon si Dan sa labas naghihintay. So, doon yung kitchen. And maganda siya, diba guys? Gusto ko tong paneling na itsura na to. And here, merong other lounge. Pwede mong gawing other lounge or pwede mong gawing dining area. Gaya ng sinadjust ni Sharon. And here's the kitchen. So, pink kitchen. Light pink kitchen. Yung naiba dito is again yung door, tapos yung locks ng door, and yung paint. Yun yung naiba dito. So, the kitchen is big, tapos yung view mo is the pool, and yeah, oh yeah, yung tap din pala. Na-mention ko yun sa previous vlog ko, pinalitan namin yung tap, tapos inayos din. Kasi nga, hindi pala siya nag-work yung hot na tap. But it's all working now. We're leaving all this, ano tawag dito? Shelving. Iniwan yan ng owner, so kikip namin yan dyan para sa pantry nila. That's that. And then, paglabas mo ng kitchen, so nandito tayo sa second lounge, diba? Ito na yung mga rooms. So, nandun yung 3 kwarto. Dito yung makikita mo yung malaking difference talaga kasi iba talaga yung kulay na to, 'di ba? May isang kwarto dito na iba talaga yung kulay niya, yung parang violet, dark purple. Anyway, before that, dito muna tayo sa banyo. So we have toilet here and then we have bathroom. So itong bahay na to meron siyang 2 toilets, included na yung ensuite, and then 2 bath. So yung again ensuite at saka ito. So, yan yung shower. And then, bath. Ayan yung itsura ng bath, guys. Ayan. Ganda. And, yung toilet pala, pinalitan din namin ng bagong toilet yan. Iba na yan. Pinalitan niya ng ano ni Dan. Kaibigan ni Dan na plumber. And then, ito yung laundry. Yung laundry, maganda na yung laundry guys. Kasi pininturahan namin yung floor. So, tingnan nyo, dark gray na siya. Noon kasi, it's not painted. Tapos madumi talaga siya tingnan. So, it's all clean. Lagay lang nila dito yung kanilang washing machine dryer. Tapos, merong door to access the outside. But yeah, that's the laundry. And then here we have the rooms. So again, newly painted itong mga to, lahat. Ito yung room na malaki yung transformation. Noon meron siyang mga cabinets dyan sa taas. Tinanggal namin kasi they used this as an office before eh. So wala na yung mga yun. And then again, newly painted as well. Tapos pinalitan din namin yung I'm not sure. Hindi ko na maalala kung cortina to noon or blinds pa din. But yeah, it's got new blinds. So that's that room. And itong 2 kwarto is pretty much the same as that one. Wala yung built-in closet. I'm not sure kung meron siya originally tas tinanggal nila kasi ginawa nilang office. Or baka wala talaga siya. But this is the other room. Again, same na yung kulay niya as the rest of the house. New doors. Inayos din namin to kasi parang hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko yun but bumaba kasi yan siya. So, inayos namin yan. Nakaangat na yan siya dyan. Maayos na siya. So, now open and nako-close mo na siya ng maayos na parang walang malalaglag dun. Kasi last time may ano siya dun, may crack siya dun na yun nga sira. But that's all done. That's all fixed. And dito tayo sa last room. Ito walang problema yung wardrobe nito or closet nito. Oh no, it is awake. But yeah, the same as the other room. Daddy and Indy's out there. Ang cute. Yun si Daddy natin at saka si Indy. Si Arlo tulog sa car. Alright. So yun yung bahay. Now, labas tayo guys. So, kapag pumasok ka dito sa kitchen, meron siyang door to access the labas. Ayan. Tadang! So, ito yung labas. Walang masyadong nagbago dito na malaking backyard. Now, hindi ko na maalala kung bago to guys. Balikan ko yung previous house tour natin. Ang pinakamalaking nagbago dito is yung pool. Ang linis na ng pool guys. Thank you to our pool guy for maintaining our pool. But, yeah. So, sabi ng tenant, meron daw silang trampoline. Ilalagay nila dito. Ang galing! Tapos, yung mga yan, iniwan niya ng previous owner. So, ikikip namin yan siya dyan. And alam niyo bang may garden bed pa yan dyan sa likod? Meron pa yan dyan siya. Hindi ko lang yan nakita. Yeah. That's it. And that's the house, guys. Diba? Dito sa gilid, dito yung kanilang AC system na bago, 3 years old pa lang. 3, 4, at saka meron dyang sampayan. But yeah, that's the house. And we will say goodbye to this house. We will not see this in a long time. So, depende sa tenant. Kapag nag-extend sila na nag-extend, then hindi talaga natin ito makikita. But sa lease namin, it's 1 year. But ganun naman talaga yan. 1 year, tapos depende na lang sa kanila kung magre-renew sila. But, yeah, let's call Daddy. Daddy! Yeah, ano pa ba? Ano pa pang... Wala na ata. Okay na ata. Any final words?
Just for records, I'd like to go like a video record. What's today's date?
Today is 24th, yeah?
Of September.
Okay.
2025.
Yep. Why?
Because if there's any issues with the tenant and they say it wasn't like that when we moved in, you got like a video evidence.
Okay. So do you want me to keep this video, the unedited? Well, I didn't really focus on the nitty-gritty, huh? I just put the camera down and yeah. Okay. 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 Hey, say bye-bye to this house. Say bye-bye house. Wave to the house.
I might come back and just give it a little bit. Well, I thought it back to me last time, but it didn't really.
Hi. Smile. Good job, baby. Well done, India. What are you eating? What are you eating? What's that? Tingnan nyo, guys. Bahog-bahog. Kinakain. Bahog-bahog yan. Yan yung binili nila sa panaderia. Sabi ko pa sa video ko, panderegla. Bahog-bahog pala. Naalala ko bahog-bahog yung pangalan nito. Yes? Are you waving to the guys? Say, hi guys, I'm eating bahog-bahog. So good! So, binigyan ko siya nito yung, brioche. And then, nag-strawberry na yan, guys. Tapos, nakita niya akong kumakain ng bahog-bahog. Nagtawag at kinuha. Akin man yan, B. Yeah. Hindi niya inubos yung brioche niya. Oy. Oh! Is it a strawberry? Bahog-bahog yan. Yeah. Yummy? Yeah. Dito na pala si Ayla from school. Ayun na. Pinalitan ko yung cover ng aming couch. Nag-laundry din kasi ako today. Cookie? Oh, no. Where's your backpack? We got Ayla's school photos. Oy! It's Ayla's photos. Oy! Cutie pie. Ayla! Look at your photos. The whole class. Alexander, it's his birthday we're going to. Good boy, Alexander. Yes.
There's 2 ants.
Hmm?
There's 2 ants.
Yeah.
Some people call Liana Sky.
Because her name is Liana Sky. Yeah. Where is Skylar? Skylar.
Oh,
Where is she?
I don't think so. I was there today.
Why is she not there? Hello everyone. Time check. 4:36. Nanonood ako ng Showtime.
After that, 47.
Yeah. Magluluto tayo ng dinner. Munggo ang aming dinner tonight. Namin ng mga bata. And then Dan will have schnitzel. Meron akong schnitzel dito. Tapos ito is for Isla's lunch tomorrow. Oil. So, meron ako ditong onion, garlic, at saka kamatis. And yung ating munggo is nandito. Ilang araw na itong nakababad sa tubig, guys. Papunta na itong togi. So, the other day ko to siya sinok. Kasi, kahapon ko sana siya lulutuin.
I did have a good time tonight.
Yes, well done. I noticed that. Good job. Kaya lang, hindi ko natuloy gawin kahapon kasi may iba akong niluto. Ano ba yung niluto ko kahapon? Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Ano ba yung niluto ko, guys? Shit, hindi ko na maalala. Nagpasta ang mga bata. So, anong kinain ko? Bopis. Kumain ako ng bopis kahapon. Yung nabili ni Dan sa panaderia. Kasi nakalimutan ko may bopis pala ako. Tapos baka masayang ba. So, yun yung kinain ko. Tapos yung mga bata, nagpasta. Nilagay ko na guys ang spinach. Spinach ang ating gulay kasi naubusan na ako ng malunggay.
So,
What?
why is Texas for to draw? Why is it made of link?
You're out of ink?
No, some are, but they're not squash. I can show you.
Okay, yes.
Black.
Ang laki nitong bag ng spinach na binili ni Dan. Dagdagan natin konti. Alright guys, wala na. Tapos na. May mga rice na ako dito. Ilagay ko na lang yung munggo. Wait, sabi. Kanina pa siya. Sabi niya, kain na ako, Mi. Ano ba yan? Dapat pagising ko, kain agad ako. Is that right there? Is that right in there? Yeah. I know. Wait, can I put you down so I can... Present? What present? There's no present.
From Icarus.
Ecolux? Wait sa, babe. Hindi. Paghulat ay... Wait sa, ay hindi. Ay, sarap ng ulam natin. Buya. Thank you, Lord. Di, I know. Sabi niya, kain na ako. Alright. Wait. Dagdagan ko lang ng sabaw. Okay, wait. Alright, let's go. Come on. Abe, kailangan mo itong hintayin. Ang init nito. Hintay mo na. Sobrang init. Tingnan mo. Kikita mo yung steam? Masyado kang excited. Maaga pa, wala pang 6. So, mauna na kami. Kasi si Dan, nasa bahay na naman. Ewan ko na lang talaga dun. Pero hayaan na lang natin kasi bukas na yung last na talaga. Hindi na siya babalik dun. I am perfect. Thank you, Lord, for the ulam ko. Ay, yum. Alright. Hello, dinner time,
Mommy, I
boys.
don't want the peas.
It's not peas.
What is it?
It's just tiny, very healthy stuff. See, Indy's very
I
excited.
want chicken.
It's not chicken. It's pork. Wait, babe. Mainit, babe.
Don't leave of Johnny. I want chicken.
Yeah, eat that, Alo.
Put it right.
Oh, look at Indy, guys. Yummy.
I will put this in.
Gaging.
I will be careful with the scissors.
No. No scissors, please. Down, Alo.
Why?
Yeah, and then the cousins are gonna be there. Archer's gonna be there.
Where's Archie?
Archer, Ava's brother.
How old is Archie?
Archer is, I think, 8.
Oh, I said
Did you? You guessed it right.
I said
Yeah.
ah!
Yeah.
Guys.
Baby.
So Archer, I whispered, Archer was I said and the mom said it because she heard it. Did you hear it?
I said it after you, so you guessed it
I
right.
will shoot you, Mr. Bear. Why?
Good eating, Ayla. You wanna show the guys you're eating?
So I ate 1, but now I'm gonna eat 2. So I'm gonna beat Adam. I'm gonna beat
Go for
the
it.
kids.
Go show
And
them.
the first I ate one day and now I'm gonna walk for. I ate one for there. Little the magic means double hot.
Is it?
That's very.
Guys, Indy's almost finished.
Could you have a little bowl?
No, I haven't even started and she's finished already. She's eating non-stop.
Because she's a baby. Why does it just one and green? That's what?
Oh, there's a green thing there. Well done, guys. Oh, strong. Eating
Can't
vegetables.
even see it.
Well done, Alo.
Can I try to grab my muscles?
You can show, yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Mommy.
That's it. These kids eat vegetables. That's why. Oh, strong. Oh!
Mom.
Yeah, D. Oh, D.
Mommy,